Today's earnings batch showed us that the AI boom is not waiting on silicon anymore. It is waiting on concrete, electrical grids, and literal network cables.
Right. When we look at today's reports from Supermicro, Lumentum, and CoreWeave, it is really a story of physical bottlenecks and some pretty incredible accounting illusions masking the reality.
The sheer physical scale is staggering. I mean, take Lumentum. They make optical components, and they noted that linking just 2 modern AI data centers takes double the total global network backbone capacity built over the entire last 10 years.
Just 2 sites.
Which is an enormous amount of glass to put in the ground, but building the facility is only half the problem. Supermicro actually missed the high end of their revenue guidance for an incredibly frustrating reason. Their clients lacked the electricity and liquid cooling to actually plug the new servers in.
Liquid cooling too. Yeah, the hardware is just sitting on the loading dock. Customers ordered the gear, but cannot physically accept the delivery. And Supermicro had to raise billions of new capital just to afford holding that standing inventory.
And this is where you have to be very skeptical of the headline numbers today, because those delayed AI servers are their lowest margin product. By failing to ship them, Supermicro's gross margin showed a huge artificial spike on paper.
The classic empty beat. It looks great today, but next quarter, when those massive systems finally do ship, the company's margin is going to crash right back down.
Down to their normal levels, exactly. The margin expansion only happened because they failed to deliver. And if you want to look at physical constraints, CoreWeave is hitting a totally different wall.
The local pushback. They are seeing severe NIMBYism where communities are actively fighting data center construction in their neighborhoods, which creates this bizarre downstream effect on hardware life cycles.
I found this part fascinating because you cannot build new space easily. Old hardware is suddenly priceless. CoreWeave is taking fully paid-off GPUs from 2020 and actively locking clients into lease extensions out to 2029 at premium pricing.
Right, out to 2029 for chips that are already getting old. That completely breaks the traditional idea that tech hardware is practically garbage after 5 years. It's like renting out a rusty tractor because nobody can get a new one delivered.
Exactly, and they really need to squeeze that cash out of the old gear. CoreWeave's interest expenses alone for the third quarter are guided to nearly $900 million. That debt load is incredibly heavy, even if utilization stays perfect.
So the physical world is really what is gating this entire infrastructure rollout now. The individual company episodes break down exactly how Supermicro is financing its inventory backup and how CoreWeave is extending those chip lifespans. We'll leave it there for today.